Although glass is a material with tremendous advantages, infinitely recyclable, its production is energy intensive. To continue making quality bottles while making fewer demands on the environment, since 2009, Saverglass has been committed to reducing its CO2 emissions and accelerated in 2019 with its low-carbon plan. Our objectives for 2035: a 50% reduction in emissions linked to our activity and the energy we consume, and a 32% reduction in our indirect emissions. To achieve this, we are targeting our entire value chain, including our raw materials. Glass is made from a mixture of sand, limestone, and sodium carbonate melted at a high temperature. This is where the recyclability of glass comes into play. It can be partially replaced by cullet, which is composed of broken glass from sorting facilities. Cullet has two advantages. It's a recycled material, which means fewer natural resources are used. Its melting point is lower than glass made from raw materials, which means less energy is required. For our coloured glass, we use the maximum amount of cullet available. For extra white glass, which is a speciality here at Saverglass, we use extra white cullet, a great rarity. To increase the recycled content of our bottles, an on-site beneficiation plant has been built at Gawler's glass facility in South Australia, which allows us to process up to 150,000 tonnes of glass each year. Other methods are also used to reduce the carbon in glass. A fair weight. We want to continue making unique, high-quality bottles that are as light as possible. Using a digital modelling tool, we can push back known limits by reducing the bottle's original weight by up to 30%, while continuing to promote its brand image, uniqueness, aesthetics, form, complexity, quality, safety. A reduction in the weight of a bottle of up to 30% means a similar cut in CO2 emissions. Our technologies. Although all measures count towards reducing our CO2 emissions, the main focus of our research and investment is in our production facilities. For one simple reason: 59% of our CO2 emissions come from the energy we use to manufacture glass. Today, our furnaces, with their immense production capacities, need gas to be heated to high temperatures. The transformation of our industrial process will essentially be a two-step operation. Step 1. Operate our current furnaces with an energy mix that includes as much low-carbon electricity as possible. Since 2024, in France, Furnace 5 has been running on 30% electricity. In Australia, the Gawler plant has developed the use of renewable electricity, with a goal of using 80% renewables in order to reduce its carbon footprint. Long-term power purchase agreements are also in place to supply wind-powered electricity. Step 2. Replace current furnaces with innovative hybrid and low-carbon furnaces with the same production capacities but 80% powered by electricity. Oxy-fuel technology is also a great solution to reduce the energy consumption of our process. By replacing air with oxygen, combustion is more efficient. This technology is being developed at the Gawler plant, which will move the furnace into the top 10% of energy-efficient glass furnaces worldwide. We are also developing other innovations, like the preheating of cullet before its introduction into furnaces in order to reduce CO2 emissions. Decarbonizing our business means making a future for glass and participating in the industry's transition. Saverglass. It's all about doing.